Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick lucky score as I promised you in the previous one. In today's episode, a big ATX case, a CPU, SCSI hard drive and some controllers. I will begin of course with the biggest thing around, this very modular and well-built case. I am going to use it for my Pentium 3 Intel 440 BEHX build. I will add some multiple hard drives, couple of CD and DVD drives, a TV tuner, soundbar alive. Basically, I will fit whatever cool stuff I find lying around here, and then I will game like a beast. Need for Speed 3, Unreal, Quake 3, Half-Life, SimCity, and yes, I will test all pre-2002 graphics cards on it. What can I say, guys? Glorious times ahead of us. Inside this beast, a Gigabyte KT133 chipset motherboard, Duron or At1 processor underneath this huge Zalman cooler, and the cooler also has its RPM controller logic right next to it. Graphics adapter, ATI Radeon 9550, probably, and an Intel local area networking adapter right below it. At the bottom of the board you can see unpopulated space for a ISA slot. What else? Some SD-RAM, 3.5-inch floppy, ED hard drive, DVD-ROM, and the whole thing is powered by this Cogen 300 watts power supply. Now guys, I haven't powered it, we will check together what's on it, but before that I need to make a little remark. The autopilot will try to keep sensitive or implicit information of the videos to protect the privacy of the people who send me most of the stuff I show you. And yes, guys, the computer is working and it booted Windows XP successfully. I will now start the command line, and inside I will type the system info command. This will give me information about when was the operating system installed. If it is an old installation, I will dig around for interesting programs and games, but it looks like a fresh installation to me, and indeed it is. It was obviously installed right before I bought this computer via OLX. This is a Craigslist-like service here in Bulgaria. So since it's a new installation, I will just install a 3D Mark 2001 CE and we'll play some Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 to assess this system's performance. I don't want to get you bored, so I will speed up the installation process. My screen capturing equipment only supports HD Ready and Full HD, so I will now select a 1280 by 720 resolution and will then press the magic benchmark button. This is exactly what I expected from a machine with those specs. I will now play some Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 with the same settings and we'll see how it goes. Come on! Load faster. Yep, I'm gonna press this key. Burn rubber. Give me fuel. Give me fire. Get out of my way. Oversteer. One of the orange peasants just pushed me. I'm gonna revenge on you. Vengeance is coming. Yeah, on the inside.
Commencing pursuit. Vehicle is a Black Jaguar XKR. Let's blow his tires. Permission to set up the spike strip. Copy, 54.
Blow my tires? Spike strip? This is Need for Speed, not 50 Shades of Grey.
Spike strip is set. 54 County. He's all over the road.
Yes, I am all over the road because of you, idiot. Haha, you weren't ready for that.
Move around the roadblock.
Guys, on this configuration, performance should be better. There are severe frame drops. Something is wrong, either software or something's at the background is doing something. Oops, I missed a shortcut. Oversteer. All kinds of steer. Ice cream van. I'm still first. I'm gonna win. Nothing can stop me. I'm just casually cruising at around 110 miles an hour.
Terminating pursuit.
Through the town.
He's going 100 plus.
County, all units.
Get out of my way.
Attempting to overtake vehicle.
Requesting the use of barricades. 19 County. Spike strip is ready.
County, all patrols. Spike strip is deployed.
No, my tire. Damn.
Suspect is still fleeing.
I'm not gonna win. I'm gonna be busted, guys.
You're busted.
I'm busted.
27 County. This boy's done.
Ooh, I have been arrested by this scary looking guy. Ooh, and he's got a clone. With that said, guys, back to the studio. The other lucky finds this 150 MHz Pentium operating on 3.2 to 3.6 volts, 60 MHz frontside bus, and 2.5 times clock multiplier. What else? 8 kilobytes for instructions and 8 kilobytes for data, for a total of 16 kilobytes of level 1 cache. I will use this processor as an upgrade option to Pentium at 133 MHz. I will benchmark it and see if the higher frequency makes up for the lower frontside bus speed. 60 MHz in this 150 MHz version compared to the 66 MHz in the 133 MHz model. I also got this cool SCSI hard drive, a huge one, Seagate ST11200n. It has 8 3.7 inches fixed disks rotating at 5411 revolutions per minute. Those 8 fixed disks, this means that I also have 16 writing surfaces and therefore probably 16 heads. Unformatted capacity is 1248 megabytes. From them some spare cylinders and sectors, and after format you get 1054 megabytes of capacity, 256 kilobytes of data buffer, and it came with a 5-year warranty and 200,000 hours mean time between failures. This is just above of 22 years. Unfortunately, the controller I got the drive with the Adaptec 1510A, it cannot boot directly because it does not have a boot ROM. As you can see, a lot of unpopulated spaces. The populated variant of this controller is the Adaptec 1520A. It can boot, but I don't have it. Anyway, I will use this drive as a storage only or with a more advanced operating system which can boot from it in some scenarios. Last for today's quick video, joy oh joy, I have found a working Vesa local bus input-output controller for my 486 build. I need to solder some joints on the game port because they are not perfect, otherwise this card is in a pretty good condition. The main difference between this and an ISA input-output controller, other than that huge Vesa local bus connector of course, is that this is a 2-chip solution. The Acer M5105 is a standard ISA input-output controller chip. It accounts for a parallel port, the COM ports, floppy connector and game port. The only thing that this Promise PDC-20230 on the left is in charges is the ED interface and the hard drives connected to it. This makes sense because in our case ISA is bottleneck only for the hard drives. Those were all the parts I got last week, guys. Definitely some are worth more than others, but I am quite happy with all of them. I hope you like them as well. If you do, you can leave a comment and press the like button. You can even help me to rename my channel by subscribing because now it looks like that. Next week I will finally shoot my 486 Vesa local bus build, everything is ready. Until then I wish you all the best, I hope you stay safe and see you soon. Computer Caveman over and out.